Are you tired of this happening to your machine? We are too. Get rid of it. Upgrade to the KP fuel bag and high flow fuel pump. Alright, the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the fuel float so that it does not get damaged. Next, we're going to be removing this piece here. Sometimes it will pull out. Here, that side pulled out. So what you can do, I know it's hard to see, there's a little tab on the inside here. We're going to use a screwdriver to pop the tab. Here's the factory fuel bag. As you can see, it is very small and very clogged. I'm going to remove that right now. Now we're going to remove this housing. You're going to need 2 screwdrivers to remove this housing, but you want to be very careful that you do not damage the plastic. Here's the stock fuel pump. Okay, now you're going to notice on here, this blue wire is positive, black wire is negative. Confirm the same on the new pump, it is. So one at a time, pull the blue one off. Goes on the positive, going to pull the black one off, and it goes on to the negative. So we're going to install our O-ring on here, and then this little piece here goes on just like that, and make sure it sits perfectly on there. Then you're going to make sure your O-ring's seated in here properly. Now we're going to push this in here, just like that. Grab the housing that we removed before. We're going to carefully slide the fuel pump into the housing. Make sure your wire is sitting out of this little hole here. Put this all together. Okay. It might take some force to get this housing on. Just be very careful. You can push down on the surface, whatever you need to do to get these tabs to clip into place. Now we have our upgraded fuel bag that we installed in our previous video that we're now going to install. So now we're going to take our bottom housing. Now we're going to reinstall our fuel float. It goes on just the same way it came off. It'll clip into place. Put the connector in. We're done.